Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to talk about how you can make multiple streams of income. In this video, I'm going to show you focus on this platform and how you can make different income streams. And if you want to know more about how to make money on and how to make multiple streams of income, simply watch my previous video in this my playlist multiple streams of income. So in this video, this platform is called YSense. It's free to join. You don't have to pay anything. When you let's take a look. When you join this inside the members area. Okay, let's take a look. And when I have that is that when you join this is a YSense, what you will get, you will learn extra cash online. YSense is the global online community with multiple learning options. Join now and start learning with pay online survey, cash offer and much more. Looking for ClickSense, see the exciting news. You can pay survey, cash offer. The cash offer have different offer and you can refresh and share your friend and want and share this. And also they have a referral program. You simply to share with your friend and watch your learning go. You will learn up to 30% of what your referral intake. Pay survey, learn cash by taking free pay survey. Wide offering is generation of products, services and much more. Cash offer, get out for trying new products and service, downloading apps, signing up for website, watching video and much more. And you can see this is also and they are also teamed up with many company partner with different company and then you can learn from this. Is completely free. You can join it for free. So let's take a look. Back to my members area. And you can see that you can pay survey, cash offer, referral, add on, and this also keep track of your account status at the click of a button and get instantly notified of new survey and tasks. You can add on. I still add on. You can add it on later. Help if you have anything you can help. They also have forum. They also to share experience with other members. And in this also very and you can see your user ID, name, email address. When you join this program, this is also very important. And you can simply affiliate link. This also when you use this affiliate link and share it with your friends and benefits. Anyone who join it, and you will also get commission. And you can get up to the 30% commission. Lifetime total this and I just joined them for what. Just join, so this is not maybe so much anywhere where you can pending available balance is also when you have a minimum how much money you can cash out and then finally I will tell you how to cash out and then this is also a very important you will pay attention you can see the time and your day and time daily checklist bonus complete your checklist and learn a bonus to qualify. You need to complete at least 2 survey of offer. Click formal if you want to more. This is also because they want to stay active to this platform and also to participate and in other survey other offer watch and also in participate in their daily activity. So you should and when you join it you should daily to log in and also you have to complete at least 2 survey or offer. And that is also what you can have. And then how much money you can learn. And when you can also have extra bonus when you get add on stack and you will then have the extra money that you can learn. And then this is also when you click this the referral become a YSense affiliate and start learning today. Silent and work with your friend and just share YSense with your friends and watch your learning grow. Learn up to 15% recurring commission on what your referral make. Take advantage of a simple linking tools and eye-catching banners. The more you promote, the more you learn, and you can see the side of commission and activity commission. For each referral about become active, you will learn a side up commission of. This is also a one 0.1 to or 0.4 for the different country where you can see what is your country where. Once you prefer to learn the first $5 excluding commission and bonus you will also learn an extra嘅$2嘅 bonus activity 嘅 commission for every approved 嘅 survey offer you will prefer to compete. You learn a whopping 20% commission on what they learn so increase your commission level up to 30% and the more active your referral the more you can learn. This is also a win-win situation when they have more active and learn more money and then they also learn because they are referral and also you will learn up to 50% commission. This is also a win-win situation because they don't have to pay anything. They just simply start up and do daily active and also they will learn money and you will learn up to 50% commission. Also, this is also a very keen and easy for you to understand and this is also affiliate you will see your stat your referral what is your campaign if you want to have cash all the practice book button forum and much more add on if you want help you can ask for the help and also they have blog the offer is we have other than survey they have many offer that you can do let's take a look The first of all you can see this also the first of all Y-Sense offer and you can see that with the more money you can learn is the task maybe more tough or maybe you can try it the Rise of Kingdom and it starts with you will launch you will get extra well install this kingdom and achieve the city hall level up to 80 to learn 4,000 sensor. This task can be completed 10 faster with in-game payment. This you can because and you can when you sign up you can pick up desktop on you have mobile iOS or Android because I am Android they will pick up some Android for my available if I sign up if I log in for my mobile in my mobile Android and then I can download this and also play with this game and also you can have when you meet the requirement and then you can learn $40 4,000 cents that is you can learn that is kick to learn $40 that is also will be because they have a different plan that you can stay yet you can also consider high speed VPN service up to 85% discount and you will learn $59 and what you will get up to 55% you will protect your line on world's most trusted VPN purchase. That is also a condition they have a condition purchase 1 year plan and then you will learn 55 cents if you pick up a 3 year plan and you will learn 59,000 cents you can learn up to $59 because you have picked up this plan. This is also an 85% discount and 3 year plan and then you will learn 5,900 and also you can see take your this also for female famously the world's best audio the workout take your workout when you and on screen sign up for a 40-day free trial with Arrow today stay subscribe pass the trial. This is also you as a condition to pass the trial and then you will learn 1,000 cents. If you want to everyone and during this 2020 everyone will stay at home and how to do the best workout you can sign up for free and after they pass the trial and then you will learn and $10 this is also 1,000 cents that you will learn about $10. It's also audio based fitness save more VPN pay 12 months and you will get APN sign up and you can sign up to pay more $100 fee pay the most competitive latest camera and also you will history single payer mission install register and win 5 rounds to learn 20 cents that you also you can just win 5 rounds and you will get 0.2 cents. This is also that this way where you can see it for yourself but some of them you can pay the online game. Some of them you will take some discount survey to discount offer you purchase after you stay active after the trial after the pass the trial period and then you will learn extra money and then let's take a look what is other platform that you can tap into and you can see the other. Okay, let's take a look what is the other offer you can take a look Okay, back to this Warner X is also could compete offer learning you have learning up to 40 cents and you can see that this also you can all survey mobile and you can some of them you can take it on your mobile such an opinion word that is also and you can see the survey and you can sign up puppy challenge you can have a quiz sample cup rota this is all quality survey real food you can sign up share this also share your opinion and learn take part in survey count the cat fly out if you have the eye of a cat in the quick game this is also for quiz valid opinion is also a survey gaming and game home games is to play free online game and collect prize at $21.40 and you can set up a register and collect $5 small game and you can see that this also what are they and how much money you can learn and then let's take a look and what is they also have a very and the different offer that you can also tap into such as this is also revenue universe because there is also tons of way that you can learn but simply in short because I don't want to spend too much time for this video because when you sign up for free because you have no risk because you can sign up for free you can learn extra money and also you have take survey and they also have different offer the offer is simply I also go through because I go through this is also you can pick a survey you can pay an online game and you can take some free trial and then the free trial and after the trial and then you will get paid and some of them you have such and you can see that some of them they are offer is such a VPN service and you can have a very special discount because because some of the company they offer and they are discounted in order to advertise advertise with this platform so you will get much more you will get a discount when you sign up from this platform this is also a win-win situation when you sign up for free you can pick up any plan that you have no, this is no, some of them that they have no trial such and you can see this or VPN they will have 1 year or 3 years this also depend on watch plan you decided to join when you join this plan and when you join this plan they also have different money you can learn because there is ton of them because there is ton of the offer so I don't because because I don't want to spend too much time because if you if I want to go through everything inside in this video this is very this is also a very long video so I don't want to spend too much time and I also in short and summary what you will get and you can refer other plan and you can also survey and you can different offer and you can also have online game and also you can have everything you buy for over the trial and when some discount you can buy a subscription and also they also offer online game you can and online game and instantly download and you pay over so for example within register when you download your app register within 7 days you have to pass at least maybe 11 certain level such you have to pass level 18 within 7 days of the register and you can learn extra money that is everything you can learn some of free some of you can check trial some of you can take more because you have to buy something that is you have page much, and then you will in return and you will have much more money you can learn. So that is affiliate you can I send you before this is affiliate you can also have refer any friends or family when they join and you will get paid. And then I also like to let you this is also the most important thing how you can cash out. Let's take a look at how you can cash out because other than there's also a very amazing platform that you can tap into because they other than that you can also the most important thing is you can learn extra money other than that you also can learn the extra Amazon gift free gift let's take a look for a while I hope maybe this also a little slower. Okay, back to what is you can cash out and you can cash out with different and Amazon you can for Amazon get gift card is also have different. I think this is also in different country ES I'm not sure where is what is the country GBT this is also and in England IT I think this is also Italy and also you can cash out from this method you can Pioneer PayPal Reward Link Italy I think this is also just for Italy Stripe and you can also you can reward the time gift other cash value you can steal this cash value you can if you have any value you can cash out and all the way to course distance course and then you can also that is also you can have with Amazon get free gift in different card value and also you can pay out from different from also a Pioneer PayPal reward link Italy if you are if your location in Italy and also it is straight and also this is also how you can test out this is also different way you can get paid. So this is the end of the video. Why stand and you can join it for free. Simply click the link below in the description. I also included about the first link that you join it for free and also you can and make multiple stream of income such as survey test as trial and also to buy anything and also you can pay online game and also they also have them watch video and you can get paid and also can get paid in and almost get free card Pioneer PayPal reward link Italy or straight and that is the end of the video So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want to know how to make multiple stream of income, please also watch my playlist and I also have many video about how different platform you can make multiple stream of income. And other than that, I also have product review and marketing ideas and in the upcoming day I also have more research resources in order to help you to make more side hustle and don't forget other than click link and also check out my description I also have some freebie for you can grab and also you can grab a free training course and you can have a free training course and free training you can register and also I also have free report you can instantly download all of them are completely free in order to help you to boost your to boost your online business and also to help you to make more money so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.